Okay, so let's have a quick overview of Networksims ProfSIMs. Okay, so the package looks like this. We have the key areas of CCNA, voice, quality service, wireless. CCNP, we have some general testing, topologies and exercises, security, some associated areas, and some other things. So the main simulators that we have is a router simulator, switch, PIX ASA. We have modem, wireless access points, checkpoint, Juniper, VPN, and so on. So the package itself is arranged into certain key areas. We can select from the tabs here if we want to focus on some of those areas. At the top there is also a menu bar which should appear on most of the screens. This provides us with a home button, and then we can move forward and backwards through our challenges. This here provides us with some basic menu functionality, and we can have some checks on devices, books, and so on. We also have an online testing facility for academic departments where students can actually test themselves against generated challenges. Along with this, we have other certification areas, mainly focusing on Cisco, but there's Ethical Hacker, CISSP, and Amazon Web Services, and so on. Okay, so let's have a look at the package itself. Okay, so we have our menu options. Home will take us back to the home. The package itself has a special toolkit which we'll see in one of the other example areas, and we can select from our quick access menus such as for faults, exercises, and so on. We can also have a look at some of our devices and get some information on them for Cisco and also for Checkpoint, and the same with Juniper. There's a number of Google Books that have been integrated into the package, and we can do that from here. And if there is a certain term that we're looking for, we can also search inside Google Books to be able to find that subject. Okay, but we just go back home here. So the package itself is organized into certain key areas. So for example, we might select an area such as CCNA security. So within CCNA security, we can see we have a number of challenges, and it includes the books. We can take a test if we want. So these questions are loaded dynamically, or we can take an actual challenge test, and we can boot the device and so on. We can look at the running config anytime to show version, show our history of commands, look at the requirement for the test. So we should find that there is a basic example there that we can look at. There's also a tab here that we can select, and we can generate a new challenge as required. So you should see that each time the challenge changes for what we actually have to do, and we can capture and copy to the clipboard if we want to show our basic system. And then we can quit that. So home again will take us home. Okay, so that's provided just a basic introduction to the simulator. The next demos will show the actual detail of these elements